Santiago Island has a very special meaning to me. This is the island that Lindblad and National Geographic adopted, and in 1997, the very same year, I started with Lindblad expeditions on board the Polaris. And that was the very first year Sven Lindblad brought the Polaris to the Galápagos. The island had 80,000 goats in 97. It had no iguanas. And when I went along the trails, you could see the goats. Our crew went hunting them sometimes. Today, this is 22 years after, there are amazing results. In January 2019, we repatriated 1,000 land iguanas to the island. Last time we had iguanas here was in the 1800s. Darwin was one of the last people to see a land iguana. There were so many that it was really hard for him to pitch his tent because of the many barrows of iguanas all along the trails. They disappeared because of competition with the herbivores. They introduced herbivores, the goats, and now they're back. And I saw one along the trail. So I'm very happy and I'm very proud because it all began in 1997 when I started with Lindblad expeditions.